Hi everyone, today we're gonna learn together how to remove partition. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbuti na bande kwenye suba zo landa ngai na utuzana ngonga. Kwana te leo na ola sabino ndenge nini to longola ka partition na window 7, window 8, 10. So mena ko la sabino na window 7 na 10, okay? Alors, guys, so we're gonna go in my I'm gonna start with Windows 7 first, okay? So this one is Windows 7, okay? Or is that Windows 7? So we're gonna delete the partition here when we finish, and then we're gonna go to the next one, okay? To go our na Windows 7, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna log, so we're gonna go here, okay? There's another way we can do. For now, we're just gonna delete this, okay? We're gonna delete this, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, okay? So what we have to do here, okay? If we go here, we just type this, okay? We type this one. See. If you type this one here, okay? You type this. And then it's right there. Enter. Okay. See, it's gonna bring you right here. Okay. So what we can do, if we go, we're just gonna delete this for now. Right click here. Okay. You go new. You go shortcut. Okay. Yaona zolo klike liboko no ya nini ya liboko no ya katikati na sure na yo oye awa oye na shortcut okomi CMD okomi oye awa next clique finish, okay? Sikoyo oclique suswa na katikati aposa oye awa, okay? Oclique yes. Sikoyo moni awa na awa soki okomi oyo ozokoma, okay? Komi yango. Okay, so okomi wana aposo okomi liste, okay, disk okomi boye omona bimsilo information ebele so ozo comprendre des problèmes eza te. Sikoyo soki okomi ndeti select okomi oyo okomi disk, okay, omoni elakisi biso there's no disk select, okay. Alors tokanga na biso awa sikoyo soki toke na ndenge tokendaki awa soki toye awa, okay, toye awa toye na biso awa na place bakomi computer, okay. We go on the computer here, right click oclique liboko na yo na clavier na souris na yo, pardon, clique nango oye awa oclique wana, okay. Omoneke bimisila yo sikoyo toya na disk management. We're gonna go on disk management, clique na yango. Eloko sikoyo tolingi tosala awa eza tozolinga sikoyo to delete. We're gonna delete this. Alors you right click here, right click oclique na yango, omoni awa right click on it, okay, and then you go to delete volume oclique place no bande oye awa liboko na yo oclique na souris na yo na katikati nango clique na yango. Alors okende sikoyo place bakomi delete volume, delete volume oclique na yango, okay. Après ça oclique awa yes oclique na yango, okay. Now you're not done yet. When you finish this, you go here, okay, awa liboko, okay, awa oclique liboko na katikati na souris na yo, okay, oclique na ona katikati, okay, e place o bakomi shrink volume omoni awa to clique na awa siko ziana nazo ngisikana dalaki soki to clique awa tozolinga to clique na awa siko raison Yeah, sikoso to delete yango, I will click on our delete yango. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. Delete yango, okay? Delete yango boy. Gone, okay? Sikoyo, après ça, oya awa. Right click here. Okay? Right click there. So you're gonna go here. You click on yango. You click on it, okay? And then you click next. Don't do anything, just click next, finish, gone. Okay, same thing we're gonna do here. Right click na mouse now. Right click here, you go to delete volume. Okay, ou cliquer awa niliboko na aluke na delete. Do you want to continue? Yes. Fomona ngeko manuar bo. Siko na awa tukoyana biso awa, ou cliquer na katikati. Oye awa. Guys, you click here, you go here, and you click on it. You go next. Don't do anything. Just go next and finish. Gone. We done. That's it. Okay, it's done. It's gone. So we're gonna do same thing when we go on window 10. Okay. So I'm gonna turn this computer off, and then we're gonna do same thing to the other one. Okay. So we're gonna use window 10. So I'm gonna put my password. Okay. Okay, so this one is window 10. Now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna delete it. So if you come here, for example, when you come here, you just type this command, or you type this. Okay, if you type this, okay, you click on it, it's gonna show up, it's gonna come. Okay, just be patient. This is, we wanna go to the disk management. Okay, so this is the one we want, but in case you don't get it the way I did, this is what you have to do. Okay, this is what you have to do. You're gonna go here. Oh, sorry. If you're using Windows 10, you click here. Right? Click there. You go to you see here where it say this PC. Right click on it. Okay, right click on it. Uklike liboko naona moni na suri nayo. Uklike na yango oya out. Uklike place bakomi manager. Klike na yango ali. Oye awa. Oya na biso awa. Tozoluka le disk manager. Klike na yango. Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, same thing. So you right click on it. Right click. Liboko naona suri nazoloba. Moni na suri na liboko na katikati. Click na yango na katikati ya click na yango. Okay, click na yango. Nazoloba suta angle pona bat msusu ba yo kamalam. Guys, you right click inside. Right click on it. You go, you see here, you go delete the volume. Okay, you click on it. Or click it out, and deleting this volume will erase all the data on it. Okay, yes, we want this. Yes. Okay, so you see the way it look black. Now you're not gonna click anything here. You come here. Okay, you right click here. Right click right there. Okay, right click on it. Oye na katikati awa te me awa uklike na suri naona katikati na liboko na katikati uklike na yango oya awa uklike. Guys, you click here. Okay, I'm gonna repeat in Lingala and English. Oye awa liboko na yo na suri na uklike na yango na katikati omoye place bakomi awa. Okay, uklike na yango. you click here in your mouse, you look at your mouse, right click on it, okay, right click, you go here, okay, and then you click on it, you go next, don't do anything, just go next, finish, it's gone. That's how you delete it, okay, that's how we delete this. So you don't have, if you follow the way I did, you shouldn't have any problem, okay. So I don't want to give you guys a lot of stuff for now. I don't want that. So the next video, I'm gonna show you guys, you guys gonna learn something new, okay. So I'm gonna stop here for today, in case you don't get it, you know what I mean, because most of the time, when you are new, you may face a lot of stuff, but if you don't get it, it's okay. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.